Precipitation 70%.
What's up, everyone? Well, I woke up this morning and managed to make a cup of coffee, and I don't know if you can hear that. It has decided to start raining. Looks like it might last a little while, might come and go, which will be good. I was thinking about hitting the road today and making a little bit more progress south, but being that it's raining, I might just ride it out. Just stay here for another night. I've been here since Tuesday. It's Friday now. I still have enough water to get me through probably 2 more days, roughly. It's gonna be a lounging kind of day. If this continues, if the sun pops out, that'd be cool, but it doesn't appear like it's gonna be the case. So I will check in periodically and see how the day's going. Right now, with the cup of coffee, I'm feeling pretty good. I'm just sitting here listening to the radio. Hopefully it doesn't keep up all day, but we'll see.
Well, I think we have a little break in the weather. Appears to be that way anyways. Looks like way off in the distance out there. Could be some more headed this way, but we might have a little bit of time to actually get out and stretch the legs. And it hasn't been bad, really, just kind of been hanging out all day. But I think what we're gonna do now is, so off in that direction, about a mile, and off in that direction, about a half a mile, we're gonna do a triangle kind of walk thing, because there's a geocache over there and a geocache over there. We're gonna go try to find it. So after further inspection, half a mile that way somewhere. Let's go see if we can find this thing. You gotta be getting pretty close to it by now. It should be right in this area. Probably in one of these trees here. Let's see if we can find it, shall we? Gotta be right around here. Oh, you see it? There it is. All right, we found it. Oh, let's see. All right, let's see what's inside. Well, that's creepy. Huh. Nah, a party clown. Weird. I wonder what that's for. What's this? Little fun. Oh, magic tricks. Awesome. Some good stuff in this one. That's a weird one. Marble. I'm guessing that rock was in there. I don't know what that is, like a poop with green stuff growing out of it. I'm sure it's supposed to be a pumpkin or something. JTVAW 2018. Neat. It's supposed to be an arrowhead. Awesome. Eraser. Another marble. Cool. Oh, that was a good one. A lot of them are small. I'm glad to see somebody put one in an actual proper tub and stuck it out here in the middle of nowhere. Every time I sign one of those, if you ever come across it and it says the Finder 2.0, that's me. I think I decided not to go for the other one because it's up and over that hill. And if you can see, there's definitely rain coming off in the distance, so it's sprinkling on me right now. I don't want to get caught out in a rainstorm. I don't think it'll be that bad if it did rain, but I don't think I want to risk it. So I think I have officially decided that today is my last day in this spot. I'm gonna move on tomorrow. I'm gonna look at the map tonight and see if I can figure out a route. But I'm looking at, I either go all the way down to the Steens Mountain or I find some place closer. I don't have to be down there to meet my buddies for another couple of days, so I am just gonna take my time. But what I do need to do is I need to find a water source. And what I mean by that, I created some sort of water filter contraption that I'll show you in a future video as soon as I find a water source and we test this thing out. I built it while I was here. That way I can do larger amounts of water filtration, because my jug is a 6-gallon jug, and trying to do a hand pump and all that jazz, it would be a lot of work and a lot of time, which I guess I don't have any reason to worry about time. But this way I'm going to use gravity and have gravity do the work for me. And we will walk through that when the time comes, as soon as I find a water source. Probably just eat some grub and relax for the evening. Probably gonna have leftover loin steak that I made yesterday, and I have 1 ear of corn on the cob left. Probably just heat all that back up. Today has been a pretty interesting day. I technically could have just packed up and went somewhere where the weather was better, but I didn't because I wanted to give a little test run on some foul weather and get kind of feel for what it's going to be like to be cooped up a little bit inside. And actually it wasn't that bad at all. Enough room for Copper and I to move around. He was able to go out and run around. Obviously we both got out and did a little bit in the middle of the day, but overall, if I had to stay in here all day, it wouldn't be terrible. Read books and listen to the radio or whatever kind of entertainment I would have. Tomorrow, we're gonna get some more miles on the road and we're gonna start heading more south. I don't know where we're gonna end up, but hopefully we get to a place where we can try to filter some water. We will test out my new water filter setup that I have. I look forward to that because I really want it to work. We will have some nice, fresh drinking water. Fingers crossed. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see everybody on the next one. On to the next adventure.